Rob Parker here in LA. You there? It's time for Homeboy Highlights on MLBbro.com. It's sponsored by Hidden Soul. For the best kicks on the planet, go to hiddensoul.com. This week's homeboy is Baltimore Orioles center fielder Cedric Mullins. Mullins is on a hot streak. He's hitting 5 of his last 6, 9 for his last 25 at the plate. That's a 360 clip with a home run and 3 RBI. Mullins' hot streak at the plate is even more impressive if you go back to April 30th. He's hitting 13 of his last 15 games, 22 for 65 for a .338 batting average. The all-star center fielder from a year ago has raised his batting average from 195 to 261 with the hot streak. That's why Cedric Mullins is this week's homeboy.
MLBbro.com, covering black and brown major league.